Boreks Public Corporation is a young but well-known machine-building enterprise producing construction, utility and agricultural machinery. Using such machinery allows to increase the technical standards in construction, agriculture and other areas, as well as to minimize the use of physical labor, increase the production rate and maximize the mechanization process. Increasing the production rate due to technical progress allows reaching new levels. Without any doubt, mental work is much effective and pleasant than hard physical labor. Physical slavery can only be eliminated by turning machines into workforce. Since 1975, we have been a branch office of Kyiv-based Krasny excavator factory. On the 27th of November 1981, the enterprise got a new name and became an independent Borodyanka excavator factory. In order to develop facilities of Krasny excavator plant, the construction of a new branch plant in the small town of Borodyanka, Kyiv region, began in 1973. The first units to be built were the production facilities for basic components of powerful circle excavators that were manufactured by the Kyiv-based plant. The construction of the attached excavator production factory gradually continued. In 1978, the first excavators went off the Borodyanka assembly line. Fast development rate helped change the factory's status. After 3 years, it received its own financial account and became a full member of the Krasny Excavator Association, and later separated to become an independent enterprise. In 1994, the enterprise became Boreks Joint Stock Company. We have sent inquiries throughout Ukraine and we already have employees from the western region. People there, they don't have jobs, but we do. We're ready to give jobs to people wishing to come to us, turners, welders, fitters. During 25 years of operation, over 150,000 excavators of different models were manufactured and 30 patents were granted in Ukraine and Russia. The sudden decline of the production rate, caused by almost complete suspension of construction, stimulated new pursuit of the way to survival and success. The factory decided to broaden its product range. One of its new trends became the production of easy-to-use, reliable, and most importantly affordable agricultural machines. When we had decline of the production level, we also had a decrease in excavator output. Our previous director, Anatoly Kyrylyuk, saw an imported beet harvester at one of agricultural exhibitions and suggested that we start producing a similar one in order to survive on the market. 1995 saw the beginning of beet harvesters and pre-plant treatment machines production. This became a new milestone in the company's history. After that, the team worked on the constant improvement of its output machines, and almost every year it developed 2 or 3 models for consequent serial production. In 1995 is also a very important stage in the history of our company. This year saw the beginning of reorientation from dedicated production towards broad-range production, which included wide range of machines, excavators and agricultural machinery. In 1996 we started serial production of beet harvesters, and in 1997 tillage machines and cultivators. Then we gradually increased output and product range. Due to reorientation and preparation of high-quality and affordable machinery for the village, the company's team managed to keep the factory alive during the crisis in the construction engineering market. Recently, its market share reached 65%. Today we work independently. We always strive to survive in such harsh conditions. Being able to bear up is a merit of our team. Workers, engineers, managers, and every other employee. We came here after graduation and many people work here from the very beginning. We live for our factory, that's why we do our best to keep it alive. However, the fact that Boreks was founded as an excavator factory was never ignored. Today, different models of attached excavators based on UMZ6, MTZ80, 82 and TTZ80 tractors are being manufactured. This includes excavators with displaceable straight and angle loaders with centered arrangement relative to the top utility tractor. No matter how hard it got, we have never tried to sell the factory or ruin it, but we have preserved it as an integral manufacturing platform. It all started with the first excavator model based on UMZ tractor, which was the reason for erecting the new Borodianka factory. Now over 40 models for builders, utility workers, agricultural producers and other consumers are manufactured by the factory specialists in partnership with corresponding research workers using the best domestic and foreign technical solutions. The excavator is our branded product, and it will always be that way. We started out as an excavator factory, and the production of excavators makes 70% of our output. We're constantly evolving to make our products comply with international standards and compete with industry leaders. The factory produces tractor-based excavator Boreks 3106 with its own chassis. 12 excavator models have already been developed. The company is always working on the improvement of its products considering the demand, new conditions and possibilities of the customer. Today, the customer can choose machines that match his specific needs. They can be equipped with optional conditioners, both domestic and important advanced control units and front axles. In order to work in 2 shifts, it is necessary to have enough employees. We have lack of workers. That's why when we have orders, and we always have them, we work overtime. Improving of the production process is always in the spotlight of the team's attention, and it creates the best possibilities for the subsequent control of the product's quality, reliability, durability, and competitiveness. In blanking and assembly shops, a special technology that allows optimal cutting of flats and pipes is being used. Welding is conducted using automatic and semi-automatic equipment. Now we have an excavator with Italian hydraulics. There are plans to use British transmission, so we are working to improve the excavator's performance. Development and putting into operation of the advanced technology required cooperation with several research and project institutes, such as Payton's Welding Institutes, CAMET Association, and others. The production process involves using plasma cutting units with digital programming interface for flat cutting, as well as special unit machines and digitally programmed machines for mechanical treatment of the most complex metalware. All our production facilities are equipped with new heating systems, so we always have optimal temperature in the workshops. Such advanced methods as diamond boring and diamond honing are developed and put into operation to ensure high geometrical precision and quality. Excavator and other units are assembled using conveyors and special instruments. This allowed to improve the production standards and enabled maximum use of the operating capacity. The canteen is not supposed to make money. We have rooms for people to work and to eat. The lunch costs less than $1. The company's team is constantly developing the production process in different directions. And if we have more success stories like this, it will help keep the faith in both our factories and our country's future. Every Monday, I organize meetings with workshop and department managers, and we always say that there is no victory without struggle. We shall prevail. Boreks stands for Borodianka Excavator Plant. This is how we interpret the company's name.